Here I have Vivo X80 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to record videos in slow motion on this device. So firstly, let's open camera, then switch to the more modes and select slow-mo. So let's record something in slow motion. I'm gonna record this toilet paper roll. So I'm gonna roll toilet paper in slow-mo, and I tell you, this will look extremely cool. So let's get it. Start recording. Unbelievable. So now let's check it out when I have it. So hope you're ready. And here we go. Just look at this toilet paper. It's so insanely cool. It's just like in your favorite action Hollywood movie. Just look at it. Wow. Unbelievably cool. So yeah, that's how you can record videos in slow motion. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.